Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 15 August 2020. First of all, happy Independence Day to all the family members of the Educational Wing. As per you know, our India got freedom on 1947 on August 15, and we are very fortunate to born in a independent country. As per you know, this was our previous question. Our first question was, which city became first city in India to have female icon on traffic signal? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar. The correct answer here is Mumbai. Option A is correct here. Recently, Mumbai is the first city in India to have the female icon on traffic signal. Okay. Our second question was, who launched India's first Android POS pocket service? PhonePe, Paytm, GPay, Amazon. The correct answer here is Paytm. Option B is correct here. Paytm launched India's first pocket Android POS, point of sale. POS means abbreviation is point of sale device. And Paytm is in news. Paytm is founded in 2010 and the founder is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Vijay Shekhar Sharma is the founder of Paytm and the headquarters is situated in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, World Organ Donation Day is observed on 12th August, 13 August, 14 August, 15 August. The correct answer here is 13 August. Option B is correct here. On August 13, World Organ Donation Day is observed. This day is celebrated to raise the awareness about the importance of organ donation and motivate people to donate organ after death. Okay, so World Organ Donation Day is observed on 13 August. Okay. Next question. Hermal chilies and Moira banana got GI tag of which state? Geographical indication tag of which state? Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Goa, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer here is Goa. Option C is correct here. Correct answer here is option C, Goa. Goa's traditional festive sweet dish, khaje, spicy hermal chilies. You can see the image of hermal chilies here. Hermal chilies and Moira bananas has obtained the geographical indication tag from the GI registry. The GI registry, the headquarters is in Chennai. The headquarters of the GI registry or geographical indication registry is in Chennai, and Hermal chili and Moira banana got GI tag of Goa. Goa is in news. The capital of Goa is Panaji, and the chief minister is Pramod Sawant, and Satyapal Malik is the governor of Goa. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Historic peace agreement held between UAE and which country? Israel, France, Pakistan, Afghanistan. The correct answer here is Israel. Option A is correct here, Israel. The President of USA Donald Trump, Prime Minister of the Israel Benjamin Netanyahu, and Deputy Supreme Commander of UAE Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Nahyan have agreed to the normalization of relation between Israel and UAE. Very historic moment because the UAE and Israel recently done a peace agreement. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Arunodaya scheme for women empowerment started in which state? Manipur, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. The correct answer here is option B, Assam. Arunodaya scheme is for the women empowerment. It is started in Assam. Okay, Assam government would provide 830 rupees per month each to 17 lakh poor families. For the 17 lakh poor families under the ambitious scheme, Arunodaya scheme, to financially empower the women. Assam is in news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal, and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Chunakara Ramankutti passed away, he was related to which field? Athlete, poet, lyricist, journalist. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is poet and lyricist. Option B is correct here. The Malayalam poet and lyricist Channakara Raman Kutty recently passed away. He wrote about 215 songs for 76 movie. For 76 movie, you can see the image of Channakara Raman Kutty here, Malayalam poet. Next question. Who has virtually notified the Council of Architecture Regulation 2020? Nitin Gadkari, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. The correct answer here is option D, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has virtually rolled out the Council of Architecture Regulation 2020 in New Delhi. The regulation will replace the Architecture Regulation of 1983. It is replaced the Architecture Regulation of 1983, and it is notified by Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. As per recently the HRD Minister renamed as Education Ministry. So now we can say the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Okay. Next question. Which country successfully tested its advanced Arrow 2 ballistic missile? France, India, China, Israel. The correct answer here is option D, Israel. Israel has successfully tested its advanced missile defense system Arrow 2 ballistic missile interceptor. Arrow 2 ballistic missile interceptor, and it is tested by Israel. The capital of the Israel is Jerusalem. Jerusalem is the capital. Currency is Israel New Shekel. Israel New Shekel is the currency, and Prime Minister is Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu is the Prime Minister of Israel. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which ministry is going to organize Fit India Freedom Run? Sports Ministry, Home Ministry, Ayush Ministry. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Sports Ministry. Recently, the Fit India Freedom Run will be organized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports from 15th August to 2nd October. You can see a image of the Fit India Freedom, the logo here. It is between 15 August to 2nd October. Okay, it starts from the Independence Day, 15 August. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who take over the charge of DGNO? Karambir Singh, Dinesh K. Tripathi, Manu Sharma. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Dinesh K. Tripathi. First, what is the abbreviation of the DGNO? The DGNO means Director General of Naval Operations. Recently, Dinesh K. Tripathi, Vice Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi has become the Director General of Naval Operation. Director General of Naval Operation. You can see the image of Dinesh K. Tripathi here. Question number 10. SS Mudra become new non-executive chairman of IBM, IBH, SCL, none of these. The correct answer here is IBH. Option B is correct here. Former RBI Deputy Governor SS Mudra has been appointed as the non-executive chairman of Indiabulls Housing Finance. Indiabull Housing Finance is the abbreviation of IBH, and you can see the image of SS Mudra also here. I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, who has been selected by PESB as next chairman of SEL? Our second question is, where Pramod Bhasin has been appointed as a new chairman? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.